Hello guys, I am Shubham from Shubh Tutorials. Today in this video we are going to study about tRNA charging. Okay, so before we start with the actual translation process, the initiation, elongation and termination, the tRNA charging is very important thing. So what is basically tRNA charging? We know that tRNA is having role to bring the amino acids, right? So amino acids, amino acids binding to tRNA is known as tRNA charging. Okay, means अमीनो एसिड्स जब tRNA पर बाइंड होंगे उस प्रोसेस को tRNA चार्जिंग कहते हैं, राइट? सो we have studied the structure of tRNA in the previous video. I will just roughly draw your tRNA structure. Okay, so these are the loops we know, and here is the anticodon, pseudouridine, and uh, dihydrouridine, and this is the acceptor arm, 3 prime acceptor arm. This is the 5 prime acceptor stem. Which sequence is present here? 5 prime to 3 prime CCA. CCA means this C is at 5 prime and A is at 3 prime. So इस A पर amino acid bind होगा. Got it? So this is the tRNA charging. Now let's see the steps in the tRNA charging. First of all, amino acid. I will write amino acid by capital AA. Okay, and ATP plus ATP. ATP I will show here 1, 2, 3. Right, so this is alpha phosphate, beta, and gamma. Okay, Abhi, what will happen? This amino acid will attack this phosphate. Okay, this process is known as adenylation. Adenylylation. Adenylation. Got it? क्या होगा फिर यहाँ पे? Amino acid will combine with AMP, adenosine monophosphate, and pyrophosphate will be released. ये बीटा और gamma phosphate release हो जाएंगे और amino acid will form a bond with AMP. Okay, adenosine monophosphate. Got it? So this is called as adenylated amino acid. This is called adenylated amino acid. Got it? This is the first step. One more thing, very important, that is adenylation versus adenylation. Adenylation. These two are the different terms. What is this? Adenyl means transfer of adenine. Transfer of adenine only. We have to remember this. Okay, मतलब ATP से adenine आएगा बस, not phosphates, only adenine. That is adenylation. And adenylation means what? That we saw just now. Transfer of AMP. Transfer of AMP. Got it? This is a difference between adenylation versus adenylylation. This is the first step, adenylation. Then the second step, amino acid with AMP, that is adenylated amino acid will react with tRNA. tRNA. And what will happen? Amino acid will combine with tRNA and AMP is released. Got it? अभी यहाँ पे अमीनो एसिड पर tRNA ज्वाइन हुआ है and AMP will be released out. So this is called charged tRNA now. Okay, charged tRNA means यहाँ पे अभी अमीनो एसिड अटैच हुआ है, right? So this process is catalyzed by enzymes known as aminoacyl tRNA synthetase. Aminoacyl tRNA synthetase. Got it? So abhi we will discuss about these enzymes. Aminoacyl tRNA synthetase इस एंजाइम्स में 2 टाइप्स है. ओके, क्लास 1 एंड क्लास 2. गॉट इट? क्लास 2 अमीनो एसिड्स अटैचमेंट 3 प्राइम OH पर करते हैं. ओके, 3 प्राइम OH which is this is the common, right? 3 prime OH and again I will draw structure of tRNA here. Right? So this is a 5 prime, this is a 3 prime. Okay, यहाँ पर CCA. Amino acid gets attached on A, right? 3 prime A. So 3 prime OH पर करता है class 2 synthetase. Okay, and class 1 2 prime OH पे करता है. Okay, 2 prime OH. This is a rare event. Okay, but 2 prime OH say 3 prime OH shifting हो जाती है by the reaction known as transesterification. Transesterification causes the shift of amino acid from 2 prime OH to 3 prime OH. Got it? So this is very important. Aminoacyl tRNA synthetase which transfer the amino acid from adenylated AMP to the tRNA. And the tRNA is called charged tRNA now. Okay, so aminoacyl tRNA are of 2 types, class 1, class 2. Class 2 attaches amino acid on 3 prime OH, whereas class 1 attaches on 2 prime OH. And 2 prime OH amino acid can get shift to the 3 prime OH by the transesterification reaction. Got it? So this is about the tRNA charging process. Some more important things. प्रोकैरियोट्स में इनिशिएटर अमीनो एसिड हमें पता है फॉर्माइलेटेड मिथ्योनिन, राइट? Formylated methionine is the first amino acid in the prokaryotes. Codon is AUG, right? Start codon, AUG. But important thing is what? Reactions. Okay, reactions. How does it take place? First of all, methionine comes and binds with tRNA, which is specific for methionine, FMET, right? Initiator tRNA है, okay, for formulated methionine. Methionine first of all comes, उसके बाद रिएक्शन से दिस इज चेंज टू formulated methionine, changed to FMET, formulated methionine by enzyme. Which enzyme? Transformylase. From the name only we can understand it is transferring the formyl group. Okay, formyl group को ट्रांसफर किया जाता है on the methionine. कहाँ से? From the, this is also very important, from the N-formyl tetrahydrofolate, THF, okay, tetrahydrofolate से फॉर्माइल ग्रुप को ऐड किया जाता है ऑन मिथियोनिन. गॉट इट? दिस इज द इंपॉर्टेंट स्टेप. अभी फॉर्माइल ग्रुप को ऐड किया तो ऑलवेज हमें एफमेट, फॉर्माइलेटेड मिथियोनिन ही मिलेगा इन द केस ऑफ बैक्टीरिया. तो ऐसा नहीं है. ओके, इनिशिएटर अमीनो एसिड is not always FMET. In the next slide, we will discuss initiator amino acid is not always FMET. मतलब हमेशा FMET ही इनिशिएटर अमीनो एसिड होगा आफ्टर प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस. हमें हमेशा FMET ही मिलेगा पहला, ऐसा नहीं होता. बिकॉज दिस फॉर्माइल ग्रुप is removed also. Formyl group from FMET. Formulated methionine से formyl group removed by deformylase enzyme. So this is also very important thing. कि deformylase enzyme फॉर्मल ग्रुप को रिमूव करता है. ओके, सो वी डोंट गेट FMET ऑलवेज इन द प्रोटीन चेन एज द फर्स्ट अमीनो एसिड. ऐसा नहीं है. मिथियोनिन भी नहीं रहता कभी कभी. ओके, इट्स नॉट ऑलवेज मिथियोनिन आल्सो बिकॉज देयर आर एंजाइम्स नोन एज aminopeптidase. Aminopeptidase enzyme will remove the amino terminal अमीनो एसिड्स. ओके, मतलब स्टार्टिंग के जो अमीनो एसिड्स है उसको रिमूव करेगा ये एंजाइम अमीनोपेप्टिडेज. गॉट इट? तो ऐसा नहीं है कि हमेशा हमें मिथियोनिन ही मिलेगा या फॉर्माइलेटेड मिथियोनिन ही मिलेगा, ऐसा नहीं होता. गॉट इट? सो दिस आर द two additional enzymes, that is transformylase which transfers the amino formyl group and deformylase, which will remove the formal group. Got it? And aminopeptidase can remove methionine as well. Got it? As well as बैक्टीरिया में ही इन द प्रोकैरियोट्स और एक चीज है, व्हाट इज दैट? बैक्टीरिया लैक tRNA सिंथेटेज फॉर ग्लूटामिन. ओके, ये भी एक इम्पोर्टेंट बात है. वी नो ग्लूटामिन इज अमीनो एसिड. सो बैक्टीरिया में ऐसा tRNA सिंथेटेज नहीं है जो ग्लूटामिन को ऐड करेगा, राइट? tRNA सिंथेटेज लैकिंग फॉर ग्लूटामिन. सो यहाँ पे क्या होता है, ग्लूटामेट इज एडेड फर्स्ट. Okay, there is only one tRNA synthetase for glutamate and glutamine. Okay, glutamate is added first and glutamate is converted into glutamine. Got it? First glutamate is added and then it is converted into glutamine by the reaction known as amination. तो इसके लिए दूसरा कोई एंजाइम है which will convert the glutamate into glutamine. Got it? So this is about tRNA charging. We discussed all the important things. First of all, what is tRNA charging? Then we discussed the steps, okay, as well as types of tRNA synthetase. What is adenylation? What is adenylation? We saw the difference, adenylation and adenylation. Initiator amino acid reactions in prokaryotes, as well as the last thing about glutamate and glutamine. Got it? So that's it for this video. I hope this video helps you. If you find this video helpful, do let us know in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel, guys, and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Thank you.